What if there's an expansive terrain out there, waiting for the unimaginable to happen? We crave that which we don't know. That's what we're built for. It creates the adventure, the memory, the passion. Create the path least traveled. Venture to the unimaginable. Go rogue.
Despite the weather being bitter cold in Wisconsin over the last few weeks, things have been heating up over here at Custom Offsets. In case you guys missed it, we announced just a few short days ago our official partnership with Anthem Off-Road, and the amount of support we've gotten back from you guys has been absolutely incredible. But as we've said before, we didn't stop there. Back again with another absolute heater wheel design. Today, we're going to be revealing the all-new Anthem Rogue. This is a brand new wheel that hits the market today and is going to shake things up a bit for those of you who want both a great looking wheel and a wheel that's built for life outdoors. In 2013, a small group of friends from right here in the upper Midwest saw a need in the truck wheel industry. They were fed up with how other companies in the industry worked with their customers, treated their customers, etc., and knew that there must have been a better way to do it. With this idea in mind, they assembled a small crew and began working with real truck owners just like you and me to design unique wheels that looked great and were built for performance in any circumstance. These wheels had to look great, but also had to handle the daily abuse of the job site, the farm, or even the back roads that you take to your favorite fishing hole. Thus, the one and only Anthem Off-Road was born. Over the last 8 years, Anthem has continued to do this very thing, making waves in the truck wheel industry by working with their customers on wheel designs and really shining through as a wheel made for truck guys and gals, by truck guys and gals. One of the coolest things about Anthem Off-Road is that they continue to be 100% American owned. Headquartered just outside of Chicago, Illinois, Anthem Off-Road continues to be a wheel brand built for life outdoors. Anthem also has had a major focus supporting the brave men and women that serve this great nation, which, as you guys know, is something that Custom Offsets also stands strongly behind and we're huge supporters of here. So all this is great and all, but I told you guys that we had a brand new wheel to unveil today, so let's get into it. In the box, right over there on the table, is the all-new Anthem Rogue, and it's going to be the hottest wheel that we've seen so far in 2021. That's enough rambling out of me though. Let's get this thing opened up and take a look at it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so here it is. Here is the all-new Anthem Rogue. As you guys can see, it's gonna feature this 8-spoke symmetrical design with these nice windows in the spokes here. So around the lip, you're gonna see this simulated beadlock look, which really plays into the off-road inspiration of this wheel. Sizes on this one are gonna start at a 17 by 8.5 and run all the way up to a 20 by 12. In front of me here is actually a 20 by 10. So while it's not going to come in the big 22s and 24s, you can get this in a nice 20 by 12. It's going to give you that nice stance and still be extremely functional. Perhaps the best part about this wheel though is that it comes in a satin black, a black and milled, and for the first time ever, Anthem Off-Road is offering this wheel in this beautiful bronze finish, and man, it's hot. If you're looking for wheels that are durable, functional, and look good to boot, take a look at the Anthem Off-Road lineup. So here you have it, guys. You've seen the wheel, you've learned the history, but let's actually jump in the truck behind me and just see how awesome these wheels actually perform.
Anthem Off-Road Rogue. Venture to the unimaginable.